Want to scan a QR code using the CamScanner app on your iPhone? Here's how to do it easily. First, open the CamScanner app on your iPhone. Once the app opens, tap on the camera option at the bottom of the screen. Now, swipe through the camera modes until you find the QR code option. Once you open the QR scanner, point your iPhone's back camera toward the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the QR code stays inside the frame so the app can detect it properly. After a moment, CamScanner will automatically scan the QR code and show the result or link on your screen. This feature is useful for quickly opening websites, documents, Wi-Fi details, and other QR code content directly from the app. If you don't see the QR option, make sure your CamScanner app is updated to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you can scan QR codes in CamScanner on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and app tutorials.